Check it out, the new screwdriver LightSleeve, the one and only flashlight attachment device for your screwdriver. Simply attach it to your screwdriver like so, and you got light shining on the screw head exactly where you need it, when you need it, at all times. The screwdriver LightSleeve allows you to work with both hands, so you don't need to worry about holding a flashlight anymore. I can promise you won't be doing this anymore. So if you want to get a hold of this amazing new device today, go to our website by clicking the link below and order yours now. Happy holidays, everybody. And remember, don't get caught screwing in the dark.